LICY, a leading global lithium-ion battery resource recovery company, and Eve Energy have announced that they have signed a memorandum of understanding to collaborate and explore lithium-ion battery recycling solutions for Eve battery materials. The MOU includes a framework for exploring global sustainable recycling solutions for Eve lithium-ion battery materials in the North American market, as well as battery manufacturing scrap generated at Eve's planned lithium-ion battery cell manufacturing facilities in Malaysia and Hungary. Using LICY's spoke and hub technologies, lithium-ion batteries and battery manufacturing scrap can be recycled safely and environmentally friendly, and key battery-grade materials, including lithium, nickel, and cobalt, can be recovered. The company's overall process is eco-friendly and minimizes waste discharge, making LICY an ideal recycling partner for Eve's battery cell manufacturing capabilities. Tim Johnston, co-founder and executive chair of LICY, stated, "We are excited to collaborate with Eve, a proven global leader in lithium-ion battery cell manufacturing, to provide a sustainable resource recovery solution for lithium-ion battery products and manufacturing scrap." LICY is a leading global lithium-ion battery resource recovery company and North America's largest pure-play lithium-ion battery recycler, with a rapidly growing presence across Europe. Shares of LICY trade on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol LICY. For more information, visit greenstocknews.com.
Thanks for watching Greenstock News. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see daily Greenstock News videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.